Good morning, students.
These are the three-dimensional shapes. In three dimensions, you can see the length, the breadth, and the height. Similarly, in the cone, if you will see, here it is one circular face. In a cube, there are 6 faces. As you can see in the Ludo dice, there are 6 faces. So 1 to 6 scores are there. And in the cone, if you will see, here it is one circular face. And in cylinder, it is 2 circular faces. Here it is. And at the top and the bottom, these are circles. So here it is 2 circular faces. So solid shapes with flat faces and straight edges. These are the straight edges. So straight edges is called a polyhedron. A solid made up of polygon region is called polyhedron. Now you see here this sphere and this cylinder and this cone. Here, as I have told, here 2 circular faces are there, not flat faces are there. Here also, and no straight edges are there. So that's why it is not polyhedrons. So 3D shapes with polygon faces are called polyhedron. And the plural of polyhedron is known as polyhedra. Like these are the polyhedra altogether. So the examples are, as you can see, prism, pyramid, cubes are the polyhedron. Polyhedron that are made up of convex polygons. Convex polygons means interior angles. These interior angles should be less than 180 degree. Are called convex polyhedron. As you can see, in this polyhedron, all the faces are convex because all the interior angles are less than 180 degree. A polyhedron is said to be regular polyhedron if all of its faces are regular polygon and the same number of faces meet at each vertex. Means this all length should be equal. As you can see here, this polyhedron is not regular. This is a rectangular prism. It is not regular. Its all faces are not regular. You can see this length is and this length. So this is the different length. So it is not regular polygon while all the vertices are formed by 3 faces. That is same number of faces they are, but the length are not same. So this is not a regular polyhedron. So polyhedron in which all the faces are not same are called irregular polyhedron. This is regular and this is irregular polyhedron.
So you have to write the definition of polyhedron and you have to draw the polyhedron. You also have to mention why sphere, cylinder and cone are not considered as polyhedron. Use pencil to draw the diagram. So after definition you will write about the convex polyhedron and the regular polyhedron also.